Imagine a company so secretive it makes the CIA look like an open book. That's Rolex for you. Welcome to the enigmatic world of Rolex, the luxury watch brand that shrouds itself in an aura of mystery as deep as the ocean depths its timepieces are designed to explore. This isn't just a company that produces wristwatches, it's an institution that crafts pieces of art, each one echoing the silent tick of time with an elegance that's unparalleled. But behind the glint of precious metals and the glimmer of meticulously cut gems lies an enigma. Rolex is notorious for its secrecy, a trait that's as much a part of its identity as the iconic crown logo. There's a wall around Rolex, a wall built with bricks of silence and cemented with non-disclosure agreements. You might wonder why a watchmaker would need such secrecy. After all, they're not dealing in state secrets or classified technology, right? But that's where the allure of Rolex comes in. The company's secretive nature has become an integral part of its brand prestige. It's as if each Rolex watch comes with a whispered promise of a story untold, a secret kept. This secrecy extends to every aspect of the Rolex operation. From the design process to the manufacturing and testing, each step is a closely guarded secret. And it's this secrecy that has allowed Rolex to maintain an air of mystery, a mystique that keeps people intrigued and captivated. It's not just about keeping trade secrets away from prying eyes. It's about creating an aura, a brand image that's as timeless as the timepieces it produces. Every Rolex watch is a statement, a symbol of luxury, precision, and above all, enigma. The secrecy of Rolex is more than just a marketing strategy. It's a philosophy, a way of life that's ingrained in the very fabric of the company. It's a tantalizing riddle that watch enthusiasts and casual observers alike can't help but try to solve. Indeed, the Rolex brand is an enigma wrapped in a riddle concealed within a conundrum. To understand the enigma of Rolex, we need to turn back the clock to its origins. Let's journey back to the early 20th century, to the year 1905 to be exact. A young man named Hans Wilsdorf, brimming with ambition and a clear vision, founded a company in London. That company was none other than Rolex. But why Rolex? Wilsdorf wanted a name that was short, easy to remember, and could be pronounced in any language. He also wanted it to look good on watch dials and movements. After trying hundreds of combinations of letters, the name Rolex finally came to him. A name that would soon become synonymous with quality, innovation, and prestige. However, Rolex wasn't just a name, it was a revolution in watchmaking. In the early days, wristwatches weren't particularly reliable, and they certainly weren't fashionable. But Wilsdorf had a vision. He saw the potential for wristwatches to become not just practical timekeeping tools, but also stylish accessories. And so, Rolex set out to redefine what wristwatches could be. In 1926, the company made a leap that would change the face of watchmaking forever. It introduced the Oyster, the world's first truly waterproof wristwatch. This was a game changer. Previously, watches were delicate items, susceptible to the elements. But the Oyster could be worn in any weather, in any environment. It was a watch for the modern, active lifestyle. But Rolex didn't stop there. The brand continued to innovate, pushing the boundaries of what was possible in watchmaking. This relentless pursuit of excellence, this commitment to innovation, set Rolex apart from the rest. It wasn't just a watch company, it was a pioneer, a trailblazer, setting new standards for the entire industry. From its humble beginnings in London to its status today as one of the world's most renowned luxury brands, Rolex has always been a symbol of excellence and innovation. The brand's early achievements laid the groundwork for its future success, cementing its place in the annals of watchmaking history. It was clear from the start that Rolex was destined for greatness. From the first waterproof wristwatch to countless other innovations, Rolex has always been at the forefront, leading the way in the world of luxury watches. From its inception, Rolex has relentlessly pursued perfection. This pursuit has led to an impressive evolution, marked by significant milestones that have shaped not only the brand, but also the entire watch industry. In the early years, Rolex focused on perfecting the fundamental aspect of a wristwatch, its ability to keep time reliably. This led to the creation of the Oyster case in 1926, the world's first waterproof wristwatch case. Aesthetically subtle yet technologically brilliant, the Oyster case was a game-changer. It provided an unprecedented level of protection for the watch's movement, shielding it from water, dust, and shocks. But Rolex didn't stop there. The relentless pursuit of perfection drove the brand to another industry first in 1931, the creation of the perpetual rotor, the heart of every modern automatic wristwatch. This self-winding mechanism transformed the way people used their watches. eliminating the need for daily winding and ensuring a constant source of energy for the watch. Then came the iconic Submariner in 1953. This legendary dive watch, with its robust construction and iconic design, cemented Rolex's reputation as the master of durable, reliable, and stylish timepieces. It wasn't just a watch, it was a statement of adventure and exploration, a testament to Rolex's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a watch could be and do. Over the years, Rolex has remained at the forefront of watchmaking, introducing innovations like the GMT Master for world travelers, the Day Date with its fully spelled-out day display, and the Cosmograph Daytona, a high-performance chronograph designed for racing drivers. Each of these models carried the same DNA, an unwavering commitment to precision, reliability, and style. This journey has not been about merely producing watches. It's been about setting the standard, about redefining the very notion of what a wristwatch can be. It's been about a relentless pursuit of perfection that continues to this day. Through innovation and a relentless pursuit of perfection, Rolex has solidified its place as a titan in the watch industry. The Rolex of today continues to be a symbol of luxury and precision. It stands tall, not just as a watchmaker but as a beacon of excellence, a testament to the timeless allure of superior craftsmanship and unrivaled quality. Rolex today is more than just a brand. It's a phenomenon, a global symbol that transcends cultures and languages, and a benchmark for success and achievement. Let's delve into the current state of this legendary brand. Rolex maintains its stellar reputation in the watch industry, not merely through resting on its laurels, but by continuously pushing the boundaries of horological innovation. It is their relentless pursuit of perfection, their dedication to maintaining the highest standards of quality that sets them apart. Each Rolex watch is a work of art, meticulously crafted by master watchmakers using the finest materials. It's no wonder that Rolex watches are so coveted. They are the epitome of luxury, the ultimate status symbol. They are worn by the world's most influential figures, from film stars and musicians to sports icons and world leaders. The Rolex on their wrist is more than just a timepiece. It's a statement, a declaration of their achievements and aspirations. But it's not just the rich and famous who are drawn to the allure of a Rolex. It's also the dedicated horologists, the watch enthusiasts who appreciate the brand's attention to detail, its commitment to precision and reliability. Rolex watches are not just about the glitter and glamour. They're about the intricate mechanisms, the precise movements, the expert craftsmanship that goes into every single timepiece. Rolex's enduring appeal is a testament to their commitment to excellence. They've created a legacy that's built on precision, quality, and a timeless sense of style. They've maintained their position at the pinnacle of the watch industry, despite the ever-changing landscape of fashion and technology. Through it all, Rolex has remained steadfast, a constant in a world of uncertainty. Today, Rolex remains a symbol of prestige and luxury, a testament to over a century of excellence. It's not just a brand, it's a legend, a story of unwavering commitment to perfection, and a promise of enduring quality and style. But what makes Rolex so secretive? One could argue that it's the elusive nature of Rolex that contributes to its mystique and allure. The company's secrecy is not accidental. It's a strategic business decision that has proven to be remarkably effective. Rolex has always been tight-lipped about its operations, rarely giving interviews or factory tours. This intentional reticence keeps the public guessing and fuels speculation. Many theories attempt to explain Rolex's secretive nature. Some believe it's a way to protect their designs and manufacturing processes, ensuring they remain one step ahead in the fiercely competitive luxury watch market. Others suggest it's a marketing strategy, creating an air of mystery that elevates the brand's exclusivity and desirability. In a world where brands often overshare, Rolex's silence is deafening and intriguing. This approach creates a sense of intrigue, making people want to know more. It's the allure of the unknown that draws people in, making them feel part of an exclusive club when they own a Rolex watch. The company's secrecy extends beyond its operations to its philanthropic activities. Rolex is known for its generous giving, yet it rarely publicizes its charitable initiatives. This discretion, while unusual in today's corporate climate, only adds to Rolex's enigmatic reputation. However, it's not just about maintaining an air of mystery. Rolex's secrecy is also about preserving quality and craftsmanship. By controlling information, Rolex ensures that every detail that goes into their watches, from design to production, remains uncompromised. This control extends to the distribution of their watches. Rolex carefully selects its retailers, ensuring they uphold the same standards of quality and exclusivity. This strategy allows Rolex to maintain its high standards and ensure that its watches are sold in an environment that reflects the brand's prestige. So while the secrecy might seem excessive to some, for Rolex, it's a meticulously crafted element of their brand strategy. It's about more than just creating a buzz, it's about preserving the integrity and exclusivity of the Rolex name. In the end, the secrets of Rolex only add to its allure, making it the most coveted watch brand in the world. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a luxury watch powerhouse, Rolex's journey is as intriguing as it is secretive. We've delved into the birth of Rolex, its evolution, and its position today as a coveted symbol of luxury. We've also unraveled some of the mysteries surrounding this secretive business, shedding light on its unique allure. As we conclude our journey into the enigmatic world of Rolex, one thing remains clear. Rolex isn't just a watch brand, it's a symbol of timeless luxury and precision.